How to use Selfyz AI Photo Dance app. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you use Selfyz AI on your device. So let's get started on this process. First you'll have to install this Selfyz AI on your device, so you can as usual do it from Play Store or App Store. So from there you have to install that, and after that you'll have to open that app. Okay, so after you open the app, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to buy a subscription for your package. So simply you can choose one option from here, and now after that on this interface you'll be able to see many options from here. So like in the trending section you'll got a lot of trending templates or AI video generators, so you can choose anyone from here, or after scrolling down you can choose any effects from here. So for the example I will choose this one. Okay, so as you can see I have chosen this effect from here. So to generate this effect on your photo or video you'll have to tap on this generate option, and simply from here you'll have to choose any one of your pictures from here. So I will choose this one. Okay, so it requires a subscription plan for this effect. So if you have made a subscription on this app you'll be able to use every amazing features of this app. So as usual, to buy a subscription you'll have to tap on this continue, and from here you can add a payment method. So you can use your credit card or debit card from here. So after you made the payment from there you'll be able to enjoy the trending and latest feature of this app. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.